Hello class, we're on exercise 9, page 144. I will do part of it with you, but you're going to try on your own and then look at the answers online. The paper that I have online that you will see, it will have two answers. It will have one answer with will, and then you're going to see a line. And then it will have some answer with going, be going to. So I tried to write both answers. You can choose one. This one again is the shortest answer. This one, it's good to practice so that way you can remember that it means future. Okay, even if you're not writing a paper, practice using it so you can remember that it is the future. So the book did the first one. What are you going to major in? So what are you going to major in? If I put this the simplest, let me make room. If I were to use will, just for an example, what will you major in? That would be the easiest to write the sentence, right? The book put, what are you going to major in? English. When I go back to my country, So look at the question, because the question tells you what kind of answer, right? So here you're going to put, I am going to, right? And they should put major on this one. Oh, I'm going to start, because that's the verb they put. I'm going to my country. I am going to start an English language school with my brother. If the question was will, right, you would say, I will start. When I go back to my country, I will start an English language school with my brother. Yeah, will is just so much easier, right? So here we go. English is the most popular language in the world. And underneath that, they put, it always be. Okay, so, okay. So we'll do the first one, the long one, the long answer. So I have both of them written down. So if I'm going to use this, right, if I'm going to use this choice, I must change the be verb, right? So we're talking about English, and it's singular. So I put is. You can write English, right? Because it says English is the most popular language in the world. You can say is English, or since we know it's about English, you would say is it the book will probably have English. We'll use the whole word. Is English going to be, right? Because they don't have the verb here. Is English going to be the most popular language in the world? The easy one, will, right? it would just be, will English be? Will English be the most popular language in the world? I needed to put be because right here they didn't have a verb. Okay? So they need to have the verb somewhere. And this one, it had, what did it have? Oh, they had the word always. Let me try it with theirs. It looks like I did it without looking. Let me look at what they have. So if we were going to write it again, they put, the choice you have is it always be. So the answer should be then is it, because it's a question, is it always going to be? Is it always going to be the most popular language in the world? If you use the word will, it would just be will, right here, will it always be? Will it always be the most popular language in the world? Probably. It's the language of science, business, and entertainment. I think Chinese, okay, and then they have the word become. Okay, so if I were to do will, I think Chinese will become the #1 language, because this is the verb, they gave it to you already. Or if we're going to use the other one, I think Chinese, yep. So we need to change this verb, be, because Chinese is singular, so you would put is going to, is Chinese going to, let me see. I think Chinese will become the #1 language. I think Chinese is going to be, because they didn't give you a verb. No, I think Chinese is going to become, there we go. I think Chinese is going to become the #1 language. So practice both of them. I have the answer key copied and online on Canvas. And try this on your own. Okay? So we'll see you in the next section.